Welcome to Macroedtech online educational services. We are running revision series for CAT 2024. In today's short video, we will see two important questions related to quantitative aptitude. So let's start. Question number 1. This question asked in CAT 2023 slot 3 and QA section. According to question, AN equal to 46 plus 8N and BN equal to 98 plus 4N. Two sequences for natural numbers. Sequences of natural numbers where n is less than or equal to 100. Then the sum of all the terms common to both the sequences. So we have to find the common terms in both the sequence and then sum of all common terms. Now we'll see the solution. So when we put n equal to 1 to 100 in sequence 1 and sequence 2, in sequence 1, 46 plus 8n, putting n equal to 1, we will get 54, n equal to 2, 62, n equal to 3, 70, and so on. And at the end, when we put n equal to 100, so we will get 8, 4, 6. Now for second sequence, bn equal to 98 plus 4n. In similar fashion, when we put n equal to 1 to 100, you will get values 98 plus 4 cross 1 is 102. 98 plus 4 cross 2, 106. 98 plus 4 cross 3, 110. So this is clearly visible. Difference is 4, 114, 118, 122, and at last we will get 498 after putting n equal to 100 in second sequence. Now we have to find out the common terms. So after observing, we will get 102. This is in first sequence, difference is 8. So when after putting 70, 78, 86, 94, 102, so first common term is 102. Similarly, 110, 118, 126, and at the last we will get 494. So this is also in AP, means common term series also in AP, where difference is 8. So as we know that it is an arithmetic progression. So in case of arithmetic progression, sum is n divided by 2, means total terms, first term plus last term. So total there are 50 terms. First term is 102 and last term 494. So after solving, we'll get 14,900. This is our answer. Now question number 2. This question also from CAT 2023 slot 3 QA section. Suppose f xy is a real valued function such that f 3x plus 2y 2x minus 5y equal to 19x for all real numbers x and y. The value of x for which x 2x equal to 27. So we have to find out the value of x. Because we have to find out the value of x and we have just only one clue, that is x 2x equal to 27. So we observe that second one is twice of first. So with same function 3x plus 2y 2x minus 5y equal to 19x. So they are also in same relationship, means 3x plus 2y is half of second 2x minus 5y. So after solving we will get 4x equal to minus 9y, x divided by y equal to minus 9 by 4. We can simplify it. Suppose x equal to 9k and y equal to minus 4k. Now we will put x equal to 9k and y equal to minus 4k in function 3x plus 2y and 2x minus 5y equal to 19x. So after putting we will get 19k and 38k equal to 19 into 9k. 19k 38k equal to 9 19k. Suppose 19k equal to p, so 38k would be 2p. Now function fp 2p equal to 9p because 19k equal to p. Now we'll compare fp 2p equal to 9p with function x 2x equal to 27. So this is clearly visible, x equal to 3. So this is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for daily updates.